Yes, you yourself can move your entire downstairs apartment, house, home with this one simple tool. Yes, you can move refrigerators, washers, dryers, desks, couch, TVs, flat screen TVs, everything with this one simple tool just by yourself. And I'm going to show you how to do it with the KEDSUM Dolly system. KEDSUM furniture dolly system comes with 4 dollies. As you can see here, they have padding here on all 3 corners, so that way there's no slip and slide when you put furniture, your refrigerator, or a dryer on top of it. And as you can see here, it has ball bearing wheels made out of steel that makes them super durable. And then it comes with a lift, and it comes with 4 jacks. That way when you're lifting up like a refrigerator or a washer, you can just lift up, and the higher the piece of furniture is off the ground, you can use this as leverage with the furniture stacks. Overall, I'm very happy with the KEDSUM furniture dolly, and the main reason is because of the smallness of it and the weight capacity. Each one of these can carry about 300 pounds total. It could do about 1,200 pounds. For example, a refrigerator weighs about 300 pounds. And you could easily use 2 just to remove a refrigerator, 1 to move a dryer. Very, very efficient. I like the small, being it's so small that it's easy to store, and you can put it in your trunk. As a matter of fact, I'd highly recommend these even if you weren't moving out. You could actually use it to move things around, to clean and everything else. I prefer these type of dollies over the regular furniture dollies, just because of the bulk and the longness of it. So these are much more easy to handle. I like the jack to where you can use it to pry open from different degrees, 90-degree angle. This is a very helpful tool, along with the plastic floor bumpers. And I'm just very overall happy. I like how it's very easy to go on different flooring. So if you have ceramic, tile, concrete, carpet, if you're going over a little bump going out of the perimeter of your home, these stainless steel ball joints are very high quality, and of course they move with how you're pushing the furniture. So I don't think you can go wrong. It's got, of course, the padded layers here to where things won't slip and slide as you're moving things. So I like the KEDSUM. I'll put a link in the comments section where you can get it off of Amazon. I think it's a great investment. I think it'll save you time, loads of time, loads of money, loads of back pain just by having these around. And as a matter of fact, you get 4 of them, but you could actually go with just 1 or 2 will get you the bulk of everything out of your home. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.